Hey guys, let's see how you can have your Tapo C260 working on an Android. As you can see here, I have a Samsung device. This is a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, but it works with any Samsung device, okay? You just need to have here the Tapo app, and then it's going to work. I'm going to reset the camera and start over so you see how to add to your Android device, okay? Super simple, but just make sure that you come here and install the Tapo app. You can just come to the App Store and here to the Google Play Store and look for Tapo, right? So here, just enter Tapo and hit enter. And you're gonna see here the TP-Link Tapo. That's the one, okay? Just download this app, install it, create your account, your password, and then you can just log in with your account. Here I already have mine, so I can just log in. And in the first time that you log in, you're gonna see here on the main screen, a big button here asking you to add a new device. I already have a lot of device here, that's why I don't have the big button, but from here at the top, I can just add a new device. I just click here, add a device, and I'm ready to go, okay? So I have the camera back there, as you can see. Close the window, it's working there. Let me just reset the camera and start over so you see the process, how it works. I can reset the camera physically by just pressing a button there, or I can reset the camera via the cell phone as well. So here I have this option to come here and all the way down and remove the camera. By removing, the camera is being reset, okay? Well, let me just reset from there from the button itself, because let's say you just get a new camera, you don't have access to the camera yet via the app, and you can reset from here. So to reset, you just need to move this all the way. There we go. And then it press and hold the reset button, okay? If you just have the camera out of the box, you just will have the camera flashing this LED red and green, and then you can start with the process of setup. Okay, I will just show you here how to reset just in case the camera is not flashing red and green. If you got the camera from somebody or something like this, it's not flashing red and green, it's not ready for the setup. So let's just start fresh. Here, just come here and press and hold this button until I hear that the camera is being reset. Let me just use this tool here so I can press and hold. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
Okay, as you can hear, the camera is being reset. It takes like 10 seconds holding the button, so the camera is going to reset, right? And now the camera is going to do the spinning movement here with the pan movement and also with the tilt movement. And then after finishing, the camera is going to show here the LED flashing red and green. That's the status that the camera comes from the factory, right? If you just bring the camera out of the box, a new camera, you're gonna see the LED flashing there. If it is not, you just need to reset like I did here, and you're good to go, okay? Meanwhile, let me just come here to the cell phone and show you that you just need to have here your Wi-Fi enabled, as I do have here, and also the Bluetooth, okay? This new camera works with the Bluetooth, so it finds the camera on the network via Bluetooth, which is easier for the setup. So let's just do this. In here, let's just come back to the app. There we go, the Tapo app, the main screen here. And then I just start like this, right? The camera is going to disappear from here, see? Because it's just being reset. And here now the camera is flashing red and green. It's good to go, okay? Initial status, just like this. You just come here to your app and add a new device. And here you're gonna look for indoor cameras. All the way down, here you find the Tapo C260. In here, it asks you to check if it's flashing here, red and green, which it is. I just hit next. And wait for the camera to find, wait for the cell phone to find the camera. So it's looking via Bluetooth. That's why I have Bluetooth enabled there. And you see here this animation. It connects to the cell phone. There we go. And now you can inform the Wi-Fi the camera needs to connect to. Just wait for a while. There we go. It found my Wi-Fi here. That's the Wi-Fi that I have here connected to my cell phone. And you just need to reselect here if you need to find a new Wi-Fi. Here's a list of the routers, okay? Just find yours, tap on it, and enter the password, okay? And then you just hit next, confirm. Here have a temp pass, just test devices, but you just need to have your password. I hit next.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. So you hear the message, and you also hear this chime, and the camera is ready to go. You just need to name the device. You see here the LED changes to green, steady green, and you're good to go. You just hit next with this name. Select here that I have the camera in the office. Select an icon, and it's complete. It sounds good. And here you can just choose to do the 30-day trial for the cloud storage. I will just dismiss this. Okay. And then you're gonna need an SD card to record the image from your camera, or I can use a Tapo hub. I have here a Tapo hub. I can use it as a Wi-Fi backup. If you don't have a hub there, you're not gonna see this screen. Okay, just we're gonna see the next screen that's related to the SD card. So maybe later here, Tapo hub, maybe later. That screen you're gonna see for sure. That's informing that you can use an 8 GB SD card or up to 512 GB SD card. Just hit got it. Here's the firmware update. The camera is going to update between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. Okay, I can just hit got it. Talking about the SD card, you just need to insert it here. Just move all the way up. Insert the SD card here. See microSD card, and you're good to go. You just need to use a good one. I have a good SD card here that I'll leave the link here in the description, okay? And then you just move down, put it here, and continue. So I hit got it, and here I have the camera ready to go. Let me just put the camera back there so you see some motion from the cars back there. So I just hit the camera here, and it's ready to go, okay? So it's working. From here, I can just control the camera with the pan and tilt zone. There we go. Can control the camera. And then you can just keep exploring everything that you have here available. It has the pan tilt, the patrol, the panoramic view. You can create presets here. So just tap on it. The camera goes directly to the preset. You see here the resolution, 4K or 8 megapixel. You can have more than one camera working here at the same time. You see that I can insert more Tapo cameras. As long as I have more Tapo cameras on my network, I can just place them here and work with my Tapo C260, right? I can also do this with the cell phone and just hit here, and I see on full screen all the cameras at the same time, which is really nice. Just come back here. And from here, you can just start exploring the interface, right? You can talk to somebody close to the camera, just push here to talk, control the PTZ. You just here can have a screenshot and also record into the camera, into the cell phone, sorry. The camera is being recording into SD card all the time, right? And here you can just record here on the phone as well. And enable audio and everything else, alarms and privacy mode. When you tap here, there's a physical privacy mode. The camera changed the lens and you don't see anything else, right? Let me just come back here to the main camera, and you can see that I have the 260 here. And I'm gonna click here on privacy mode. Just take a look there on the camera. You see here the lens is going to move, right? Let me just put in this position so you see better. There we go. Then when I click here on privacy mode, it moves there, right? And then I don't see anything here anymore. So when I click this privacy mode, it comes back. You see the lens back there moving up. And then I see the video again. Super nice, right? And you can start just exploring here the AI zone and some features here. After installing the SD card, of course, you just need to come here to the storage and recordings. In local storage, here you see your SD card, it's good. But when install for the first time, you just need to come here and format the SD card, just like I'm doing here. It stays for a while in 5% and then moves to 65, 90 and goes to 100%, and then it's done. Just use a good SD card because the camera has high resolution and needs a fast SD card, right? So hit OK here, and then I just come back, check the schedule here. It's recording all the time by motion detection. You can also record by continuous detection. You can continuous recording. You can just paint here whatever you want. Save if you want to. I'm not gonna save it. I'm gonna just return here. In here, just enable local recording and record sound as well. And check here the detection modes, right? I have the entire zone here enabled for detection. So when I take a look here, I also see the detection type, motion detection, person detection. I can adjust the sensitivity here from 1 to 10. 10 is more sensitive and 1 is less sensitive. Let's leave like this with 6. That's the way it comes from the factory. And also have person detection, sensitivity as well. And then pet detection, vehicle facial recognition, line crossing, camera tampering. When somebody blocks the camera or sprays the camera is going to trigger an alarm, right? Baby crying, glass breaking, dog barks, and cat meows. Have everything available here to you. Super good video display. You can check here the video quality with 4K or 8 megapixel resolution, or you can drop down resolution to 720p. It's up to you. You can invert the image, control the frame rate, enable privacy zone. Check the image settings here. You can change to a cool, warm, or soft image here, or you can also adjust the brightness. So super good. You can also change the on-screen display here or the text that it shows up on the main screen back there. And there's also more stuff here that you can check with advanced settings, share device, marked actions, firmware update, reboot the camera, and remove the camera. By removing the camera here, you're resetting your camera, all right? A lot of stuff, guys. Maybe you can just check everything and see what works for you, right? So the main focus of the video here is just to have the camera working on your Android device. So basically, this is the Tapo C260 working on a Samsung Galaxy S Plus or an Android device. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.